Hey, my YouTube friends, it's your girl, Miss Tamika. As you can see, I am in dress mode. So, we are planning to go to the Dogwood Festival here in the Atlanta area. I never been. I thought it was a dog thing, but it's not. And I have today off, which is Sunday. I'm so happy because I never been. And I was just like, I wanted something to do that won't cost a lot of money. As for me, when I get bored, I just go to the stores and go shopping, and I'm tired of going to the stores to go shopping because I end up spending a lot of money, you all. Trying to be mindful on how I spend my money, but of course, I'll be spending money while I am down the Atlanta area. But anywho, Um, I got dressed. I did my makeup, you all. I am wearing some new lip products. This here is new. It's by the brand Give, and it is the newest her new collagen lip gels, the Dewy Plump. And I got the color Banquet. And you know how I do when I buy new lips. I like the pinky, like a pinky nude. This is not pinky nude, but it's like I don't know what color this is, but this is the color I got. I am wearing it. I did kind of like overlap it with the um, Charlotte Tilbury, so that's why I'm like, my gloss is popping. And then you all, I'm loving this here lip liner called Draw Me from Tower 28. One of my Sephora friends turned me on to that, and that lip liner is like under, I want to say $15. It's not that expensive. So yeah, we'll just turn the camera on just to brief y'all on what's going on today. Depending on what time we leave the festival, I did want to go to Lenox Mall because I wanted to stop into the Coach store to see what's new, and then I wanted to show y'all what's new. If y'all can't get to a Coach store, Miss Tamika can show you around. So if they let me film, um, I'll set the camera like up on the countertop. I had my daughter hold the camera while I just try on a few different bags. I plan on looking at the 26, the bigger one. I'm gonna look at the colors of the 20. I plan to try on the 26, and it's a bigger one. I forgot that size, and I plan to try that on just to show y'all the different sizes. So the next time you will see me will be at Piedmont Park, because that's where it's going to be at. I think I gotta Google it, because like I said, this is my first time ever going. I will talk to you once we get where we going. Mwah. How much are your pineapples? 20. Look at the face over here, Jemiah. Uh-oh, he picking it up. That's his snake.
No.
No, none of them. So we made it to Piedmont Park. I gotta fix my hair. Yeah, we made it to the park. It's a little hot. It took us like an hour and something to find parking. We sitting down in the shade. It feels so nice. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what we looking at. I probably go get a pina colada drink. Hey, hi, Jamaya. So this is what we are. Let me go stop. It's at 32. Hold on. Okay, I was trying to angle you this way. I don't have nowhere to kind of like sit, y'all. My daughter is at her braces appointment because she do have braces. It's almost been 2 years, y'all. I'm like, time is moving. You hear me? It's been almost 2 years since she had her braces. So, y'all, I wanted to share probably what's in my purse, y'all. Look at this. It's a mess in here. I'll show you what I got from Sephora because I got a sample because I heard the Laura Mercier, Laura Mercier foundation went viral. I was like, okay, let me see what's the hype all about. So I got a sample because I didn't want to purchase the foundation just in case I didn't like it because, like I said, a lot of things that go viral I sometimes don't like. From Charlotte has went viral, and to me, sometimes it's not even worth the hype sometimes. Some of Charlotte things, but yeah, so I ended up just getting a sample to try it. Another sample of sunscreen by Belief, because you know us brown girls need to wear our sunscreen. Not gonna lie, I grew up not wearing sunscreen because I just didn't know that we needed to wear sunscreen. I'm starting to incorporate a lot of sunscreen in my routine. I think I'm a buy the Belief because I like the fact that it does not leave like a white cast. I got some tissues. I have my Chanel little zipper pouch. I don't have nothing in here. I have my keychain my son got me, some band-aids. I may put some other stuff in here. I just haven't gotten around to putting something in here. I have my keys. I went back to putting my car key on my key wallet, my toothpicks. I got this from Walmart. My AirPods, my gum, my napkin that I got, I think from Louis Vuitton. I have my Christian Dior lotion. I have my fragrance. I have my Chanel wallet, well, card case. My pink pen, a Chanel lip gloss, and my Fenty gloss. I have my House Labs gloss that I got in training product. Got in my gratis. It's gonna be time for my Chanel blotting sheets because it's getting warm outside. Then I have my fragrance. Oh my gosh, look how bad this got scratched. I'm glad I didn't pay full price at the cosmetic company store. I have my Tom Ford lipstick, I have my pills, pen, and a nail file. I have my lip mirror, nail mirror, glasses. This is what I use to see things I can't. This is what I use to like see small things. It's so cute, you all, so cute. And I just keep that in the little back pocket. So, it's getting hot sitting up there. Oh, it didn't it didn't overheat because, honey, that Sony would have overheated and turned off. So I probably would turn you off because it's hot and I want y'all to cool off. I'm gonna turn y'all off so y'all can cool off, and I'll probably turn you back on and turn y'all off, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I am in the line at the new Raising Cane. Oh my gosh, this line is so freaking long. I finally made it up here. It's here Raising Cane because they said it was good. Some people said it was good, some people said it wasn't. So I'm gonna see if it's good, and I will let you know. I'll see y'all once I get my food. We're gonna go ahead and put these on because it's sunny out here. It's getting hot. My phone is getting hot. I'm getting hot. Are y'all getting hot? Would I be able to see the menu?
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is my first time. Can I get the box combo? Okay, y'all. I think I kind of messed y'all up. I gotta get used to this here camera. I don't have nowhere to put y'all in my car. Thank you. Alright, you too. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go home. I was going to see if there's somewhere to sit outside. Because I was going to get my car washed. But yeah, it's hot. Then this food smells good. I don't want to let this food get too cold. Because you know the best time to try new food is when it's fresh off the dock. Y'all still there? I just got to check on y'all while I'm driving. Time I did not have the mic on. But yeah, hopefully y'all can hear. I don't know, when I had the mic on, it felt like it was low.